Fix HBO Max not available on the reason. So if you want to fix the HBO Max not available reason issue on a device, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. To fix it, the most common way of doing is that you just need to open a VPN app on the device. So if you have not installed, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on the device. So after that, you just need to open any kind of VPN app on the device, and you just need to choose the reliable server, which is the US. So you just need to connect to a server in US, and you just need to restart the app again, or you just need to restart your phone, and you just need to open the HBO Max app and try to sign into your account, and make sure that your VPN also supports streaming. So you just need to select the reliable VPN from it, and if that is, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to open App Store on a device, and you just need to click on the option of your name at the very top right, and from here click on your name, and you just need to enter your Apple ID password. So after entering your Apple ID password, you just need to open settings on a device, and from there you just need to click on the option of Apple ID, and from there you just need to tap on the option of country or region. So select on the option of country or region and click on the option of change country and select United States, and you may also add payment info if you like. So after selecting United States, you just need to simply restart the device again, and you just need to use the HBO Max app to sign in, and you may simply enjoy it from there. So by doing this, you'll be able to use the HBO Max on your region too. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you simply open settings and click on the option of general and click on iPhone storage. So scroll down until you find the option of HBO Max, click on it and click on the option of offload app. So sometimes offloading the app may also help you to fix those type of error, and after simply offloading the app, click on the app to reinstall it again and simply try to log into your account and use it. So that's it. That's how you can fix HBO Max not available on the reason. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.